All right, guys, welcome back to the School Food Rocks Training and Innovation Center. Today, we're doing an incredible turkey ramen bowl, which is featuring Butterball turkey medallions and a ramen broth we made ourselves, featuring Kikkoman less sodium soy sauce, sushi sauce, fresh ginger, fresh garlic, and chicken stock. Super, super, super simple to make. You're gonna absolutely love it. The turkey medallions are available commercially or through commodity processing. All right, so first let's start with the turkey tenderloin medallion. Right in the steamer. They took 8 to 10 minutes and they were done. And we come out with a beautiful turkey tenderloin medallion. All right, now let's build the turkey ramen bowl. First, we're gonna start off with the woodles, the only whole grain noodle for K-12 industry right now. This is helping drive the ramen craze in K-12. 2/3 of a noodle cake. Half a cup of our School Food Rocks broth. Beautiful. We're gonna add a 6-ounce spoodle of turkey tenderloin medallions. Right there. And then from there, it's gonna be 1 ounce each of shredded carrots, sauteed spinach, sauteed mushrooms. And we're gonna add a half a hard-boiled egg right to there, and we're gonna garnish with some scallions. And there you have it, guys. Beautiful turkey ramen bowl featuring Butterball turkey tenderloin medallions and ramen broth made with Kikkoman sauces.